Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Happy Belly milk is probably one of the most versatile and essential items in any kitchen, offering a creamy texture and rich flavor that elevates everything from your morning cereal to your baking endeavors. Whether you're a health-conscious individual looking for a nutritious addition to your diet or a culinary enthusiast seeking the perfect ingredient for your recipes, Happy Belly milk provides a reliable and delicious option that consistently satisfies. Number 5. Bio Oil Skincare Body Oil Serum. Struggling with scars and stretch marks? This skincare body oil serum is designed to help improve the appearance of both. It's a gentle yet effective solution for your skin concerns. Experience intense hydration for your face and body. This moisturizer deeply nourishes dry and sensitive skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. It's perfect for daily use. Formulated with essential vitamins E and A, this serum works to enhance your skin's overall health. These powerful ingredients help to rejuvenate and protect your skin. Trust in a product recommended by dermatologists. Its proven formula is gentle enough for sensitive skin, ensuring effective results without irritation. Enjoy a lightweight feel that won't clog your pores. This non-comedogenic formula absorbs quickly, making it ideal for all skin types, even oily or acne-prone. Achieve visibly healthier-looking skin with regular use. This versatile serum helps to even skin tone and improve texture, revealing a radiant complexion. What we like. This product is a dermatologist-recommended solution for scars and stretch marks. It deeply moisturizes sensitive and dry skin with essential vitamins. If you are looking to improve skin appearance and hydration, this is a great choice. What people say. It truly helped me prevent stretch marks and kept my skin feeling incredibly soft as my belly grew. It's a dry oil, so it absorbs much faster than others and doesn't ruin my clothes or sheets. It helped a lot with the itchy feeling you get when your skin is stretching. It kept everything moisturized all day long. My stretch marks have actually visibly improved in just a matter of weeks. My skin looks moisturized and feels smooth, especially once it sets in. No stickiness at all. Number 4. The Complete Anti-Inflammatory Diet for Beginners. Discover the power of anti-inflammatory eating. This guide is designed to help you understand how food impacts your immune system and overall health. We've created a no-stress meal plan perfect for beginners. It's packed with easy-to-follow recipes that make healthy eating enjoyable and sustainable. Learn how to incorporate anti-inflammatory foods into your daily life. These simple changes can significantly help in healing and strengthening your immune system. Enjoy a variety of flavorful meals without the fuss. Our recipes are designed for ease, ensuring you can prepare healthy dishes even with a busy schedule. Take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle. This beginner-friendly approach will guide you through creating a balanced diet that supports your body's natural healing processes. Understand the connection between diet and inflammation. By following this plan, you can effectively reduce inflammation and start feeling your best. What we like. This is a comprehensive guide for beginners to adopt an anti-inflammatory diet. It offers a no-stress meal plan with easy recipes to help heal the immune system. If you are new to healthy eating and want to boost your immunity, this book is for you. What people say. The recipes are straightforward and don't require culinary expertise. Culinarists and cook keep things simple, which is exactly what you need when you're trying to change your eating habits. The biggest selling point for me is that the ingredients are accessible. You won't find yourself hunting down expensive or obscure specialty items at health food stores. Most of what you need is available at regular grocery stores, which makes actually following through with the recipes much more realistic. Each recipe includes tips at the bottom that offer variations and substitution ideas. This is incredibly helpful because it means you're not locked into one exact version of a recipe. Number 3. Happy Baby Organic Stage 2 Infant Formula. Introducing Stage 2 Infant Formula from Happy Baby Organics. It's crafted to support your baby's growth and development during this important phase. This milk-based formula provides essential nutrition. It's made with organic ingredients you can trust for your baby's well-being. Fortified with iron, probiotics, and prebiotics, it helps support a healthy immune system and aids in digestive comfort. Give your baby the best start. Specially designed for infants aged 6 to 12 months. It offers complete nutrition as they transition to new foods and experiences. Each pack contains a 22.9-ounce container of our premium baby formula. You can rely on Happy Baby Organics for quality and care. What we like. This organic baby formula is designed for infants aged 6 to 12 months. It contains iron, probiotics, and prebiotics to support immune and digestive health. If you are a parent seeking a milk-based organic option for your baby's development, this is a reliable choice. What people say. This stage 2 milk-based powder with iron is modeled after breast milk and includes DHA and ARA, which gives me confidence it's supporting my baby's digestive health. The formula mixes easily without clumping, has a mild, pleasant taste, and seems gentle on his stomach. My infant likes this formula, it's very easy to digest. Number 2. Happy Belly Chai Latte Tea Pods. Start your day with the warm, comforting flavors of a chai latte. These pods offer a rich and aromatic experience. Designed to work seamlessly with your 2.0 K-Cup brewer. Enjoy effortless brewing every time. Savor the authentic taste of traditional chai. It's a perfect blend of spices for a truly satisfying cup. Get a convenient pack of 24 pods, ensuring you have your favorite beverage ready whenever you need it. Perfect for busy mornings or a relaxing afternoon. Experience the quality and taste you expect from Happy Belly. Enjoy a delightful chai latte, made simple. What we like. Enjoy a delicious chai latte with these convenient tea pods. They are compatible with 2.0 K-Cup brewers, making your morning routine easier. If you love the taste of chai and appreciate quick, easy beverage options, this is perfect for you. What people say. Pods are almost completely filled with powder when held up to light. Flavor is good and strong when brewed with 8 ounces of water. It's got that warm blend of spices, cinnamon, cardamom, a little clove, and a creamy finish that makes it feel like a treat. Number 1. Luciano Pavarotti Passione Neapolitan Songs. Immerse yourself in the soulful melodies of Neapolitan songs. This collection captures the true essence of passion and tradition. Listen to the unparalleled voice that defined a generation. His powerful delivery brings these timeless songs to life like never before. Discover the rich heritage of Neapolitan music. These beloved songs are presented with breathtaking clarity and emotion. Feel the magic of his iconic performances. This album showcases his unique ability to connect with the heart through song. Embark on an emotional journey with these classic tunes. Let the vibrant spirit of Naples fill your senses. This is more than just music, it's a masterpiece of vocal artistry. Experience the profound beauty of these Neapolitan treasures. What we like. Experience the passion of Neapolitan songs with this iconic album. It features the legendary vocal performance of Luciano Pavarotti. If you are a fan of classic Italian music or powerful tenor voices, this collection is a must-have. What people say. Pavarotti really made a superb effort to sing in the Neapolitan dialect, which is not easy. That it demands a lot from the artist because of the inflection one must demonstrate to make it authentic. Never ceases to amaze me how clear and powerful is his voice. Pavarotti singt dies alten neapolitanischen Liebeslieder mit großer Feinfühligkeit bzw. Passion so das alle besungenen Gefühle glaubhaft beim Horror ankommen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.